Welcome, class. I'm glad that you're all ready to go and you've put everything away that you need. We're going to go over what we're going to do today. So today, you will learn I will make and sort 3D shapes. Can you repeat that after me? Ready? Go. I will make and sort 3D shapes. Is that now language objective? You can also say that too. I will identify and name a cone, cube, cylinder, and sphere. Can you repeat that after me? Ready, class? I will identify and name a cone, cube, cylinder, and sphere. Awesome job. Okay, before we start going into those types of shapes, we're going to review 2D shapes. Does anybody remember what a 2D shape is? Can you name a 2D shape?
Square.
Square, that's right. A square. Okay, what's another 2D shape? Do you guys remember?
Circle.
Alright, raise your hand if you have a shape that you'd like to share. 2D shape. Alright, Hannah, what is your shape? Triangle, okay. Alright, who else has another shape, 2D shape?
Circle.
Circle. Any more shapes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mackenzie, will you raise your hand? Thank you. Mackenzie,
A rhombus.
would you like to draw that?
Yes.
That's why I asked.
Oh, this is a parallelogram, teacher. But it's not really a parallelogram. Listen, teacher.
You guys are like K through 2.
Okay.
So you don't know. That's okay. Awesome. Thank you. So that almost looks like a rectangle, doesn't it? Great drawing. So I'm going to put a rectangle up here. And we'll worry about this one next time because we'll focus on other aspects of our shapes, but we'll focus on these shapes first. Okay, so just to refresh, two-dimensional or a dimension is a way to measure something. What are some things that we measure? Raise your hand if you think of something that we measure. Mackenzie? How do you measure that?
Well, one serving size is a tablespoon. So I put 1 tablespoon in the sandwich with the little thing.
Wow, you're very precise. Anyone else have something that they measure? What about when you go to the doctor? Do they measure anything when you go to the doctor?
My doctor tells me how much I weigh.
Yeah. How much space you take up in like volume could be another word that we use for that.
It's a lot.
What's another thing a doctor might measure? Yeah. Mackenzie? That's right. How about your height? Do you measure your height? So one of the aspects of two-dimensional shapes that we are reviewing is
Teacher, what does aspects mean?
aspects. It's part of something. Does that make sense?
Teacher, you're really smart.
Okay, so we can measure shapes, right? So we can measure how tall a shape is, how high it might go. That's one way. And we can also measure how wide it is. And that's another way. And so two-dimensional is two different ways of measuring a thing, an object. And so this can only be measured one way and 2 ways. Okay, I want you to put up how many fingers or how many ways What dimension is this shape? 1, 2, or 3? You put your fingers up. For a rectangle. Awesome. This is 2. Okay. What about the square? You put a 1, 2, or 3 for your square. Great job, guys. What about this triangle? Is it 1, 2, or 3 dimensional? 2. That's also 2. So now we're going to learn about 3-dimensional, which is adding another way to measure it. Okay. So we're going to do this. And yours has a little bit of Spanish on it. Okay.
La estatura.
La basura.
And it's also out below those videos. For the last one, especially since you have to go.
Do you have screen back? Would that be okay?
Yeah.
I mean, yours should be really fast with the video and all, right?
Okay.
Being so sweet. Entonces, define la estatura.
Okay.
Is there an application, Chris?
Go to screenomatic.com.
All right. So who can tell me one way that we measure a rectangle? What this was? What did we call this?
The height.
Height. That's right. How high it is. We're going to put an H for height. What about this? What did we call this?
That is a width.
This is the width, like how wide it is. So we'll put a W for that. Now, when we have a 3-dimensional shape, there's one more place to measure. What does that look like?
A box?
Yeah, it looks like a box. And like, if somebody's handing you a present, do you want a piece of paper that's kind of flat? Or do you want something that's like big and full and has different depth? Nope, not depth. Length. It is length, guys. So one more place I measure is like going back into something. So say I'm tall, you can measure my height. I'm wide, you can measure my width. But what about this way? We measured that third way, and so that is length. And we measured the length. And so then it makes it 3-dimensional. Can we count these? Ready? 1, 2, 3. So, on your piece of paper you have a sphere. Can you find the word that says sphere on it? And a sphere is not just a flat circle, but it has the length or extra depth. It is just, it goes back more. So like if you reached into a bucket, you could reach into it, and that's pretty deep. So there's something that can go inside of it. Can everyone draw a sphere? We'll draw a sphere. It looks just like a circle, and it's hard to draw on a piece of paper, but you just draw a circle. What are some things that are a sphere shape? Let's see. Okay. Is this a sphere? Does this look like this, guys? No, thumbs down if it looks like that. Thumbs up if it does. Okay. How about this? Does that look like a sphere? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me see a thumbs up, thumbs down. That's right. This is not a sphere. What about this? Does this look like a sphere? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Yes, that looks like a sphere. What are some other things that have this shape? Can you think about it? Raise your hand if you know something. Good.
My basketball?
Yeah, a basketball is a sphere. That's great. What, anyone else?
Yeah, that one orange.
An orange is also a sphere. Great. Will everyone draw one thing on their piece of paper in that box that is a sphere that they know of? Great baseball, him. Man, everyone wants to play sports right now.
Teacher.
Yeah. That is a circle shape, but
That is nice.
can you fill it with something? Oh no, balls are filled with air. All right, let's go to cube. All right, we're gonna play the same thing. Is this thumbs up, thumbs down if this is a cube? That's right, this isn't a cube, all right? Let's see. Is this a cube? Thumbs up, thumbs down? No, that's not. How about this? Is this a cube? No, doesn't look like that. Is this one a cube? Great job. Okay, think to yourselves of another object that is a cube. Raise your hand when you have something that is a cube. Yes, Mackenzie?
The gum.
Cube gum. Yeah, those icebreaker cubes are square, three-dimensional shape cubes. All right, now draw one of those things in the box that says cube. Cube. Great building. Nice box. What's inside your box?
It's empty.
Oh, that's sad. We'll have to fill it with something later. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go to cylinder. Okay, we just did cube. Now, is this a cylinder? No, that's right. Thumbs down. That is not a cylinder. Is that a cylinder? It is the Earth. It's not a cylinder, though. What about this? Is this a cylinder? Awesome. Okay, think to yourselves, what is something that has a cylinder shape that you see every day?
A soda can.
A soda can, that's right. What's your favorite kind of soda?
I don't know. Mountain Dew,
Yeah.
Dr. Pepper.
What do you think about Tootsie Rolls? What shape are those?
Probably be a cylinder too.
Yeah.